welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming up with an interesting video. I'm going to try about 4 different coffees from 4 different countries, and I'm trying it for the first time. So let's see how it goes. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
The first coffee I'm making is a Mazagram Portugal coffee. For that you would need black coffee, lemon juice and sugar and ice. Just mix it all together and your Mazagram coffee is ready.
So the first coffee which I'm trying out is a Mazagram, which is also known as coffee lemonade. I'm really intrigued to try it. So let's try. It's from Portugal. So I'm just trying it. It's quite interesting. The flavor of coffee and lemon is going really well with each other. I feel I'm going to try it more than once, and I'm really loving this coffee.
So the next coffee I'm going to try is a Yin Yang coffee from Hong Kong. For that you would need black coffee, black tea and hot milk and sugar. Just mix everything together in a right proportion. If I'm using like a half cup of black tea, then I'll use a half cup of black coffee and 1 or half a cup of hot milk, and then add a half tablespoon of sugar and just mix it together.
So the number 2 coffee is a mixture of black tea and black coffee. I was really excited to try this one. So this is from Hong Kong, Yin Yang. So let's try it. Quite interesting. There's equal amount of coffee flavor and tea flavor. I quite like it actually. Let's be honest, I like more than the coffee lemonade we tried the last time. It's quite interesting. I would recommend you to try this because it's quite interesting and really tasty too.
So the next coffee I'm making is a Greek frappe or a Greek coffee. First you guys need black coffee and sugar. You're going to shake till it turns frothy, and then you're going to serve in a glass and then add milk, and your Greek frappe is ready.
So our third coffee is a Greek coffee, which is also known as frappe. So it's kind of like, you can say, dalgona, but ये उससे पहले आई हुई थी. So I'm really excited to try. I feel it's just like dalgona. It's very tasty, very tasty. It's just like dalgona. It just tastes like dalgona. But I have drank a lot of frappe, but I feel the classic frappe is really good.
Next coffee which I'm making is a American Bulletproof coffee, and for that you just need 2 ingredients, that is black coffee and half tablespoon of ghee. Just blend it all together. It turns into a milky consistency which looks really intriguing. Then just pour it into a glass and you're done.
So our fourth coffee is an American Bulletproof coffee. Actually, in this coffee, it was there's some kind of oil used, but I didn't have that oil. Nor I can go out and just find that kind of oil because of the corona situation. So I watched a video where one YouTuber just showed me you can use ghee as your oil substitute, and so I have used ghee in here and blend it together. So let's try it. Taste is quite nice, but I feel more than coffee, the ghee is more overpowering the taste. And if you want energy before your workout or before your gym, you can surely try this coffee. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon which will notify you every time I post a new video. And bye bye, take care.